frizz-free, voluminous, defined curls. That is exactly the description most of us curly, kinky folks are looking for. Set off on freshly washed hair, apply gel, and start smoothing and raking for your curls to form. You could go ahead and shave off for maximum definition. Well, she has quite thick hair, like you can see on her scalp how her strands are packed, so we may not need to fluff much. Just teasing the roots is quite enough, which we did off camera. Blow drying generally helps hair gain some volume and look silky strong, and when it dries naturally. Well, natural drying would be the best, but the challenge is hair takes longer to dry, which makes it weaker, looking frail and frizzy. Find out more in the previous video about this information to air dry. The point is to fasten the drying process, which will also give you a beautiful finish. If a dryer is not within your reach, then of course you have no option other than air drying. If you want to maximize definition, then you could stop right there. Is key when it comes to volume. Fluff out from the roots. Use an afro hair pick and fingers to pick and tease your roots. This is an easy, hitless way of adding volume to your hair. Or you could use a blow dryer on moderate heat, because our curls spring inside and make hair look way shorter than it actually is. For details on how to maintain this style, check link in the description box. Do you think a wash and go hairstyle like this is great for 4C, or we should leave it for our friends with 4B, 4A, 3 types of hair? Make sure to back up your answer. Helps us know. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please, you are welcome to our farm. You simply click the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified whenever we post a video.